Hello there, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can use Genmo AI. First of all, head over to www.genmo.ai. Now, you're going to either get started or log in on the bottom left. If you don't have an account, just sign up for free using Google or Discord. Choose the account that you want to use. And now you can just describe the video that you want to make. On the left, you have an option to animate, either create images or etc. We're going to head over to alpha.genmo.ai/create. On the right, you'll see that your currency, which you're using to generate videos, is referred to as fuel. Starting off, you'll have around 200. The first step of this text to video tool is creating the first frame of your video. What you're going to do is either upload it, search it, or create it. Let's say you can choose between two aspect ratios, either 1:1, 16:9, or 9:16. I'm going to keep this portrait one. Hit generate image and wait for it to generate the first frame of your video. Now, once that's done generating, you can hit the stick and choose it as your first frame. Step 2 is to refine the story of your video. You can describe those frames. I'm going with this preset one. You can change the length of this video. The longer it is, the more views/credits it will use. As you can see, I've already used about 4 credits. You can change the exploration rate to add more chaotic animations. You can change dynamism. It controls how fast content changes over time. The higher it is, the more blur it will add into your video as a side effect of it. For smoothness, it just controls the smoothness of your transitions. You can actually select instructor mode. You can add the seed to it if you want. And you can create a seamless loop video. You can also add a caption. Hit make video and just wait for it to create the video. You can activate turbo mode for 10x more fuel every day, but that does require you to upgrade to their premium plan. For now, you could just wait for this. It takes approximately 2 minutes to create your video. You can see the percentage of your video over here too. And once it's done, you can view the video if you'd like, or you can just download it by clicking this button and it downloads onto your PC. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.